How to delete Just Eat order. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete your Just Eat order in just few simple steps. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, open the Just Eat app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are on the home screen, just tap on the order tab and next tap on view basket to see the order that you have placed. Now here in this section, simply look for the bin icon next to your order and simply tap on it. And after that, your order will be instantly deleted. And that's it. That's how you can cancel your Just Eat order quickly and easily. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.